Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to increase your hotbar slots in Subnautica 2. You can actually expand your toolbar from the default 5 slots to a maximum of 7 slots, giving you room to carry more tools without constantly opening your inventory. To get the first upgrade, start from your life pod and head at a bearing of 15 degrees on your compass. Swim straight past the first angel comb until you reach a man-made platform. From there, turn left and you'll find a hole surrounded by glowing flowers. Swim down through it and near the bottom of the tunnel, turn northwest and enter another passage. This will lead you to a large rock spire. To the left of it, you'll spot a man-made light. Swim beside the rock pillar, face south, and you'll find the entrance to a hidden bunker. Head inside and interact with the biobed to unlock your 6th hotbar slot. For the second upgrade, you'll first need the heat tolerance adaptation. Return to your life pod and head at a bearing of 120 degrees. Keep swimming straight until you reach the high temperature zone. Once you're about 340 meters away from the life pod, you'll arrive beside a large arching rock formation. From there, face south and swim down the edge of the cliff. Then turn around to face north, where you'll spot a cave entrance in the cliff wall. Follow the cave inside to discover another hidden bunker. Inside, interact with the biobed to unlock your 7th and final hotbar slot, giving you the maximum toolbar capacity available in the game. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.